Next up, Ben is gonna go try to sell some home security systems. He's got our sweet doorbell camera. Check it out right here. So we'll see if he's got it. He sold security a couple years ago. So
yep, it's been about 3 years. It's gonna be new. I'm not afraid of it, but see if we can go sling a alarm or two.
Let's see how his pitch is. Dust the rust off.
I like the Trump sign. Hello. Oh, you scared me. Oh my God, did I get you in the middle of a shower?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Can I help you with anything?
The queen of the castle?
No, I'm not.
You're not?
No, I'm
Okay.
just house sitting.
Oh,
The
God.
owner of the house should be back in maybe like an hour, I think.
Okay. Sorry to wake the baby. Yeah, make it easier on you. Okay, I'll try and swing back. They're gonna have to get off their old systems though. Hey.
Can I help you?
Yeah, sorry, your guard dog's going crazy. Yeah, are you the queen of the castle or?
Okay, what is this about? Is this
Sorry,
about roof?
no. Have you guys had a ton of roof people come
Yes.
through? No, we actually just bought one of the houses right over here. I don't mean to bug you, I know it was a bad time, but
Okay,
we
I
have
need
a,
you to hurry.
yeah.
What do you need?
We just setting up a lot of the neighbors that have seen the cameras up here. I know you guys have a lot of the old systems, so they've just been wanting something to keep an eye out on the outside of the place.
Yeah, I'm not interested.
Okay,
Thank you.
yeah, have a good one.
See ya.
She not happy. But if it's not. Oh, how's it going? Sorry, we're getting hidden behind your stuff. Are you James?
Yeah.
I'm Ben. This is Trent. We actually just purchased one of the properties right here from Dennis and Elizabeth. You probably know them pretty well. They've been here forever. I'm gonna take it you're the owner. Saw like the camera you had put up. We basically do all the systems out here with all the smart home stuff. Have you guys been in this area for a while?
Yeah.
Okay. Was that you that installed the camera or?
No, that's perfect.
Okay, perfect. Is there a reason y'all haven't done the doorbell yet?
Nah,
Yeah. Not worried about it?
I can look out the glass.
Yeah, you got the peepholes. Property they had like their business right around the corner. What is it, like a colonoscopy
Yeah.
deal? Yeah.
I used to mow it. Yeah, I only have 2 cameras, but they're real wide. They're good ones.
Did you do it like in the back too, or did you just do the front?
Yeah, I got them all over the back.
Okay. What made you want to add those?
Never
Just
know.
cause.
Never know.
Sit there all day long.
Yeah.
Seen how the new cameras work yet?
I don't know. I got the night color ones too.
Night vision.
New ones are kind of cool. What they do is, because there's a lot of cameras you can buy at the store and stuff, right, that record. But we were trying to figure out how can we stop them from breaking in. Because all the cameras will record the car break in, but they don't stop it. So we finally came out with this new one. If they come up to your trucks out here, the camera goes, it whistles at the person outside. So they hear it. They look up, they see there's a camera, strobe light starts flashing at them. So at that point, they're like, I'm out of here.
I don't need all that. I got lights that come on that people walk up.
Like the floodlights and stuff.
Got a pit bull and a German Shepherd.
There you go.
You're in Texas too. You got some guns?
Okay, I got a lot of guns.
Yeah.
There's not much happened. One time the cops asked me for a video.
Really? Was it just like a car break-in?
I think they killed somebody in the apartments or something.
Oh, right over here.
Down at the bottom.
Yeah. Do you guys use other smart homes tech stuff in the house, or just the cameras? Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
Let me see it.
This is the doorbell.
Well, it just hooked to my Wi-Fi thing, or do you gotta get it? If I got like a network video recorder.
It comes with for example, it comes with the home security system. It's kind of like ADT.
Because
So
I
we do
already got one, like video recorder.
like a DVR. Yeah.
You got like the TV set up?
Yeah.
Yeah, sit back there and just watch. Well, I mean, yeah, it might not make sense. We were just kind of meeting some of the neighbors, trying to get a better idea of the area too. But how long ago was that incident that you talked about?
Oh, that
The
was
cops?
like 2 years ago.
Oh, really? Jeez, I didn't hear about that.
Who do you use for your alarm?
I don't even have it active anymore.
We upgrade those to the touchscreen one. All your hardwired sensors, we just tie into them, and then we just upgrade the door.
Give me a card. I'll pay
Yeah.
later.
I'll shoot you a text.
I would like to get my alarm put back up.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Can you have a cat walk around and shit?
Yeah, we have the pet mode on there, so the motion detector won't read it.
Yeah, if you want the cat walking around, it doesn't have to set it off though. You already have the sensors. It should be cheaper because they can usually just. Is it on the frames of the door right here?
They're on the corner.
You got the box in the closet with all the wires and stuff.
Shit, I don't even know where that is. I think it's up top there.
Right there, yeah. That's usually where it's
Yeah,
at.
we're setting up the property over there like this next week, so we can always swing back over. I can at least just draw it up for you and show you what it looks like, but I'll shoot you a
Okay.
text. What was a good number for you?
214.
Nice meeting you. Have a good one. Hello.
Hi there.
Oh, how's it going?
Well.
Got the listen to some beats or what?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Are you guys the homeowners?
No, that'd be my brother.
Oh, your brother is. Okay, is he here?
No, he's out of the country right now.
Oh, really? Where's he at?
Salvador.
Okay, very cool. Interesting. How long is he gone?
He'll either be back this Sunday or the 20th.
Okay. Well, my name is Ben. This is Trent. We actually just purchased one of the properties over here, but we do all the cameras for a lot of the neighbors. You've probably seen some of these getting set up. People just wanting to take a look at the cars, see the things from the inside, like from their phone. Have you guys been in this house for a while?
Yeah, for a couple of years.
Okay, gotcha. Did you guys ever get any cameras set up yet or no?
No, we thought about it for a while. We decided not to.
Yeah.
Because, like, in the long term, we don't really plan to stay here, I guess.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it's just one of those things where it's just like, we could, but...
Yeah, most people Typically we work with like end up just transferring it over just because we set it up for no cost, and then they'll just move it to your next house. Are you guys, you're not renting though, do you own?
No.
Okay. Is he the one that handles everything with the house, or is that?
Yeah, he's been handling all of that.
Yeah.
But like right now we're kind of standstill because
Yeah,
he's not here.
not
so.
there, yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, it might not make sense then until he's here, but I don't know if we'll be back in the area. We're just doing it for super cheap right now. So we have some trucks out here. People wanting the security tied in with the doorbell camera and one above the garage. Well, all right, y'all have a good one. Nice meeting you. Hello, how are you doing?
Hello.
You must be the retired lady.
I am.
Who's this big guy? That's your noisemaker?
Yeah.
All right, are you the queen of the castle though?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Ben, this is Trent. We're helping out some of the neighbors right behind you. Have you guys been in this area for a while?
Uh-huh.
I'm sure you've seen it if you've been here a little bit. A lot of people are just trying to get some stuff set up with like the cameras on the outside.
No.
Okay. You not? You just like the guns or what?
No, I'm just not worried about it.
Yeah, okay, perfect.
Shop online at all, get packages and stuff?
No.
Oh, really?
You just stick to the grocery stores and
No, we get packages, but you know,
Yeah.
I don't need to look at.
most people don't need it. They just kind of like, they had an old system tied in that they hadn't upgraded, and so they just want to get it activated just with the way the world's going, or they just want to keep an eye on the back corners of the house, the front for the packages.
They're so cheap now, too. Everybody.
We had a break-in one time, and at the time I was working for the police department, Farmers Branch.
No way.
I asked them, I said, what is the best thing to do about preventing break-ins? They said, get a dog.
How long ago was that?
It was 10 years ago. That's when I got my dog.
No way. How long did you work for the police department?
25 years.
Holy cow. Well, I appreciate it. Really appreciate all the cops that we have here, so.
We got some good ones in Farmers Branch.
How long since you've been retired?
Since January.
Oh, you're fresh out.
Are you bored yet?
No,
Not yet.
not yet.
Find enough to do?
That's cool. We set up some other police officers, not right in this direct neighborhood, but a lot of people just like because the cell service tied in, so it automatically detects them. The dogs are good, but sometimes late at night it whistles at them, it lights up, and then they just have it all recorded on their phone.
Right.
James, he's like one neighborhood over. They had that weird incident. Was it 3 years ago that someone was killed in those apartment complexes? It was 2 or 3 years ago.
Yeah, that was a few years ago.
Yeah. What was your name?
Sally.
Sally, I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Thanks, Sally.
Yeah, have a good one.
Go ahead.
That's wild. You actually have a break-in. That just kind of comes down to old people just not caring again.
Hey, boss, how you doing?
Can I help you guys?
Yeah, you're one of our Vivint customers.
Actually, we're not.
Oh, you're not? Okay.
No, we just leave it there.
Gotcha. How long ago did y'all cancel?
About 2 years ago.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
How long did you get it before that?
We've had it for 5 years.
For a little bit.
It was just too expensive, so we just not
Yeah.
interested anymore.
Oh,
We
yeah.
have our own alarm in here.
I hear them. They're going off pretty good. The reason I stopped by because I did see the Vivint sign, so we want to obviously see if we can earn your business back.
Not right now. I appreciate it.
I got you. Have a good day.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, have a good one. What do you think the too expensive old system was? 35 bucks. We got some sorority girls. Oh, scared me. I was like, someone's walking up as, you got someone talking to me too. Double people answering. You guys both the owners or?
Yeah, well, he's the owner.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, what's going on, man?
Oh, yeah.
We basically just set up some of the neighbors out here. We bought one of the houses here on North Main. Have you guys been in this area for a while? Okay. Yeah, we're kind of just getting familiar with the area. We have some of the trucks out here setting up all the cameras. A lot of people with the rings that are wanting like the system tied in with some of the cameras on the corner. Have you guys been here over a year?
Yeah, we have. Y'all do audio-visual stuff?
Yeah, we set up the whole smart home system, and then we just tie it into a lot of these old houses have those old alarms plugged in, but they're not really working. So we just tied in with the cell service so they at least have it working for the emergencies. And then most people are wanting to tie in a camera on the corners of the houses just because you got the big lots.
Can you leave her a card?
Yeah. Are you out of town?
No, I'm working right now, though.
Yeah, what I can do, I mean, do you have other cameras or just the ring?
I've looked at a couple of them.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I can swing back by. We're setting up the house. It's like right around the corner over here. If I'm here on Monday, I can swing on over. I don't have any more cards with me. I can either shoot you a text right now, if that's easy.
Yeah, that's fine.
What was your number?
318.
Where's that 318? Is that Texas?
Nah, it's Louisiana.
Raging Cajuns? Saw some A&M logos.
Nah, go Tigers, baby.
There we go. What was your first name?
First name is Blake.
Blake?
L-A-K.
Alrighty, Balake. I got you. Have a good one.
Guys, I appreciate it. Y'all good evening.
I hear a dog. Come on.
Run power, yeah.